PDFs are one of the most common file types we use, but sometimes they can become too large, making them hard to share via email, upload to websites, or store on your devices. In this video, we'll cover practical PDF compression tips to help you reduce file size without losing quality, so your documents are easier to manage and faster to send. The first tip is to optimize images before adding them to your PDF. High-resolution images can dramatically increase file size. If you're scanning documents or including photos, consider reducing the resolution or compressing images beforehand. Many PDF editors allow you to adjust image quality during creation, which can make a big difference without compromising readability. Another simple method is to remove unnecessary elements. PDFs often contain hidden layers, annotations, metadata, or embedded fonts that increase file size. By cleaning up these extra elements, you can shrink your PDF while keeping the main content intact. Most PDF tools have options like Reduce File Size or Optimize PDF that handle this automatically. If your PDF contains multiple pages, consider splitting large documents. Instead of sending one massive file, you can divide it into smaller sections based on chapters, weeks, or topics. This makes it easier for recipients to download and view the files, and it often reduces overall file size compared to one very large document. Using dedicated PDF compression tools is another effective strategy. Many online and offline apps allow you to compress PDFs quickly. These tools often provide different compression levels, so you can choose a balance between file size and quality. For example, you can opt for maximum compression for emails or lighter compression for printing purposes. Another tip is to convert your PDFs into more efficient formats when appropriate. Some PDF editors allow you to convert complex PDFs with many images or graphics into optimized versions using modern compression algorithms. This reduces file size while maintaining readability and layout. If you frequently share PDFs online, consider archiving multiple PDFs into a zip folder. While this doesn't reduce the PDF content itself, it bundles files into a single smaller package, making them faster to upload or email. Finally, always check your PDF after compression. Make sure the text is still clear, images are readable, and formatting hasn't been distorted. The goal is to reduce file size without compromising the quality or usability of the document. In summary, PDF compression is all about optimizing images, removing unnecessary elements, splitting large files, using compression tools, and verifying results. With these simple tips, your PDFs will be smaller, faster to share, and easier to store, all without losing important details. If you found these PDF compression tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more practical guides for managing your digital documents.